Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. Compare the modal salary of two groups of employees in a company. Now we are given these two groups. If we look at it, first group has mod at this salary, that is 134. That is group A has mod or modal salary in 122 to 126 class. Group B has modal salary in, let's see, this 107 is highest frequency, so in 118 to 122 class. We know mode of group data can be calculated of grouped data can be calculated using this formula L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 multiplied by h, where L is lower limit of modal class, H is class interval, F1 is modal class frequency, F0 is class frequency of previous class, and F2 is class frequency of next class from modal class. So even if we do not calculate actual modal salary of both groups, we know that for group A modal salary will be equal to 122 plus some fraction, and for group B modal salary will be 118 plus some fraction. So obviously from these numbers we can conclude that modal salary of group A is larger than modal salary of group B. So if we look at the options, we see that answer is option C. Modal salary of group A is greater than modal salary of group B. Answer is option C.